I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Today is Edri's graduation. Hi. Excited? Are you?
Yeah.
Are you sure? No. Okay, so it's Edri's graduation. Papunta na kami sa school. Okay, let's go na. Going now to school. Pasok na, Elisa. Elisa. It's Edri's graduation. Okay. Cut inside na. Okay. So, today is Edri's graduation. So, pumunta na kami dun sa school nila. Yeah, where's my glasses?
I don't have it.
Elisa, you got my eyeglasses?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, this one. So, pumunta na kami sa school nila Edri. Excited?
Yeah.
It's graduation ni Edri. Everybody's ready.
Yay! Hi! We're so
Hi.
excited!
Alison.
We are so proud of you, Kuya!
Pero punta na kami. We're almost near. Malapit na tayo. Dito na tayo sa school ni Edri.
Why are they playing?
Your school still.
Yeah, it's school.
Can I go inside?
Already here. Drop ka muna namin, Edri. Tapos, dito. Ano muna kami? Punta mo kami dalalaman, bili kami ng card. Medyo napaaga kami. Ano parang 12:02. Pero dapat mga 12:15. So dito muna kami sa loob ng sasakyan. Actually may pasok ngayon. Kaya hindi namin pinapasok si Elia at saka si Elisan. Kasi masyadong hassle, sundin pa namin tapos bibihis. Ayan, kaya dito muna kami sa labas. Here.
We're here! We're so excited for Kuya Edri's graduation!
Yeah.
Oh, Evan is here.
So maaga pa, dapat
But
kasi
we
12:15,
early.
12 ano pa lang 05. 10 minutes pag dating ng 12:15 bababain namin si Edri. Then, tama na kami ng Dalarama. Bili kami ng card.
Wait, recess for them?
Yeah, it's a recess, Elia. Oh, who's that? Is that your friend?
Kian.
Kian?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Wait lang.
Hey guys, let's go.
Okay, dito na lang kami sa parking
I wanna
kasi
see your
inisip
friend.
namin
I want to see
baka
my
muna kami ng
friends.
parking spot mamaya.
I want to see my friends, Daddy.
Tapos, hintayin namin 12:45. Tapos, magkaroon na kami. Babayad na lang kami ng parking. Kasi mamaya wala nang spot na hirap. Tayo na lang namin. Diba, nagdadatingan naman na yung mga ano eh. Yung mga classmate na Edri. So, hintayin na lang namin 12:45. Sa school ni Edri. So, naghihintay na lang kami. Nandun na si Rowena sa loob. Ayan. Alison, where are you going? Just stay here. Pasok kami sa maya-maya lang. Kami sa labas maghihintay kasi maga pa na pala. 12:30, 12:45 yung ano. So, kami sa loob ng gym nila Edri. Ayan. Nakapasok na kami sa loob. Hintayin na lang namin si Edri. Nandun pa sila sa loob. Kami sa loob. Ayan. So, meron sila itong konting handaan. Ayan, meron sila felicitations in French. Isa to si Edri. Ayan, si Edri.
I'm just saying I didn't supply.
Ayan, stage nila. Ayan. So wala pa, maaga pa. So hintayin na lang namin sila. Ano yung mga picture nila na maliit sila. Tsaka nung current. Ang nakita ba? Ay, video pala. Andali. Andali.
How about a big round of applause for our
Track and field start, knowing fully well it didn't start until this spring. But they were just so excited to get started. I look forward to seeing where this athlete's running legs take them. Please join me in congratulating one of our grade 8 athletes of the year, Edri Enrique.
na ang graduation nila. Yan, picture na sa elder. Yung ibang mga parents sa gawian na. Ha? What?
We're gonna go to the forks.
What?
We said we're gonna go to the forks.
Who? Who? Forks? Why?
For a picture.
Picture? What na? Who else?
Have you seen there's in the Winnipeg, right? Winnipeg side. Dito good. Julie. Dito na. Julie? You know that scene in stage?
Oh, the
Where there's Winnipeg?
So we go there, see an ano, sign? Winnipeg sign? Okay. Ah?
Video.
Video. Ah, sige, ayan. I'm taking video. Dali. Dali. Paputukin nyo. Sige.
Julia, you don't have to heels for nothing.
Picture kami dito. May ibang classmate ni Edwin. Dito sa may The Forks. Ano pa ata sila? Tayo pa ata na una. May parking ba rito ngayon? Libre ang parking.
cyber shop.
It's just going.
Yeah.
Dali mo yung graduation nila.
Yeah, the
There's a
certificate.
certificate, the graduation only, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Naman mo. Libre auto parking dito, no? Pag ano,
Oo, dyan.
dyan sa pinakaharapan.
Do I stop it now?
Okay. Yan, ang parking.
Ano na yan?
Sana nga. Tingnan natin kung meron. Hanap tayo ng parking. Hindi pa tayo man.
Ayun, meron.
Ano kami sa may The Forks. Ayun yung ano, Winnipeg sign. Sa picture muna sila dito. Ang bilis nila. Sa the fort. Ayan. Picture daw muna sila dito mga magka-classmate. Hintayin na lang natin sila. Dito muna siya, picture. So, video.
Nagchinelas na.
Hindi na kinaya ng bahay. Yan, nice. Oh, careful.
So, tapos nang mag picture taking sila. So, kain na kami sa labas. Ay, hindi pala dito, Edred the Forks to eh. Saan ba? Dito. Asan na, naligaw na ako. Wait. Hindi pala dyan. Doon pala, doon. Halika na, wey. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa buwan. Sing.
I'm singing.
You don't know? Kaya na kinanta niya bakit nga ba mahal kita eh. So what happened the case? Did you win the case?
I win
the
because
case.
I'm better.
The case. Attorney Enriquez.
I win the case because I win.
Oh, you win the case or the case? Attorney. Si Attorney Enriquez, oh. Attorney Enriquez, come here.
I win the case. I win all the cases.
Huh?
I win all the cases.
All the cases? Edri, listen. Attorney Enriquez, paging Attorney Enriquez, please proceed to the courtroom.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Pogi, oh. Okay na, alas 4 okay na. Doon tayo na. Ano ba banda sa pinakauna? Ayan na, yes, okay na. Ayan, may parking, madami. Marami ba? O wala na?
dito.
Saan?
Ito paalis.
Paalis ba siya?
Oo.
Iikot ako mo yun. Ay, eto. Going now here to Yes Buffet. So ito yung mga food nila, empty na yung iba. Kaya meron din mga fish, pabrikan ko na rin mamaya. Marami pa dito, may mga salmon, may mga salad. Ito pa yung mga iba na food. Ayun. So, may na ako dyan. Oh, this is my food. Babalik ako mamaya. Take your time. Don't rush. Mia. What's your food? Kain lang muna kami. So this is my second plate. Seafood muna. Ito muna yung kinuha kong salad. Hindi ko tapi ibang salad eh. Ito na lang muna. Kutselo. Ito na lang muna yung aking salad. Leah, you want some? Orange, cantaloupe. Ayaw mo? Busog na siya? Ellison, there's a salad there. Fruits. You like it? Busog na? Oh. May basket ko pa mamaya. Sa kanya aking salad. Salad na ako. Kaya may basketball sa Ellison mamaya. 7 o'clock. 18, alis na kami, Edri, punta kami sa basketball ni Edri and Edison. Dan, Elia, finish your ano na, iced tea. So, uwi na kami. Uwi kami pero wala kami ng ano, ng short ni Edison kasi may basketball si Edison na try out. Busy. Ayun. Uwian na. Pero wala kami ng damit ni Edison. And then, balik kami dun sa may basketball court. See you there. We're done celebrating Edri's graduation.
I'm so full.
So full. So punta kami sa basketball ni Ellison. Ellison's basketball. Busy.
That's not a part of the
That's not part of the graduation, of course. That's a separate activities. Okay, uwi lang kami.
that is Kuya Edwin Tignan.
Going home. Wala nang uniform. Damit. Dito yung mahal yan. Dito ba o sa kabila? Sa kabila.
Sabi.